The decentralized storage industry has experienced tremendous growth in the past few years, with Arweave emerging as one of the most important public chain ecosystems in this space. Arweave has nurtured a number of valuable startups that have leveraged its ecosystem to drive innovation and growth. One of the latest developments in the Arweave ecosystem that has garnered significant attention is the launch of the uToken by Facts Labs and other founders in the ecosystem. And it is expected to serve as a tool for activating the PermaWeb ecosystem that is built on decentralized storage. So what is the U exactly?
Well, U is the unit of account for the PermaWeb. PermaWeb Application Fuel. PermaWeb users can use U to swap between other tokens and interact with applications living on the PermaWeb that use U, right? Developers can use U in their applications like many other applications are already doing today. Applications can leverage the foreign call protocol, reject, allow, claim, to create contract-to-contract transactions, which wasn't possible before. U allows users to buy, sell, and interact with any asset on the PermaWeb. One U can be divided into 1 million subunits for the developers out there.
PermaWeb apps are web pages or web apps that run in a user's browser and are saved forever on Arweave. This means that even if the team that developed it moves on, the PermaWeb app will stay online and available. This is a huge advantage because the data saved on Arweave can easily be imported into other apps that might improve on the one you're currently using. U is designed for users who use PermaWeb apps.
We developed the uToken for speed, right? If we're going to deliver a lightning fast experience for the PermaWeb, like the legacy Web 2 experience that users have learned to expect, we need instant transactions. U tackles this problem by allowing users to mint U on layer 1, but all of the other functions that are called on this contract are executed on layer 2 via sequencing.
The U contract has two types of transactions. Layer 1 transactions, which are the only type of transactions allowed for minting U tokens. The other type is Layer 2 transactions, which are the only type that can execute all other functions such as transfer, allow, claim, and reject. This prevents a user from submitting a transfer transaction on Layer 1 and then submitting a new Layer 2 transaction with the same tokens. Thanks to the Layer 2, we can get instant transactions and consistent state updates. So, how can you obtain U?
Well, there's 3 different approaches, right? The first one, and the first one that we rolled out was fully decentralized PermaWeb application. You can go to this application at getu.arweave.dev or getu.gateway.io because infrastructure is swappable on Arweave. And effectively what you're doing on that website is you're burning your AR, so you're paying the endowment to mint tokens. The second approach to getting U is uploading data, right? So I think of U as sort of an extension of the Arweave mechanism in this use case. Because really what's happening is, anytime you're paying the endowment, you can mint U. When you upload data to Arweave, you're paying the endowment to store it for, conservatively 200 years. And as you upload data, all you have to do is specify a couple extra tags, a couple extra SmartWeave tags, and you can mint U in your transaction as well. This makes uploading data to Arweave even cheaper than before.
The third approach to get U is via the DEX PermaSwap, which is built by Evervision. Both buying and selling U can be done in instant transactions without any gas fee. The uToken is expected to bring significant improvements to the PermaWeb ecosystem. It will remove friction, add liquidity to the PermaWeb, and add speed to PermaWeb applications.
The PermaWeb runs on U. I'm Justin Shaw, founder and CEO at Facts Labs. We're building the Facts protocol and the PermaFacts client on top of the Facts protocol.